In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 14th of September 2021, and the day would be Tuesday. Now let's start with Nifty 50 on a daily chart. Now since my previous few videos, I am constantly saying that this is a range of 17,200 on the downside to 17,525 on the upside. This is the range in which Nifty is trading, and today HDFC Bank and Reliance, both of them fell, and if these two stocks falls, then the lower end could come or even be broken. Now coming to 1 hour chart, you can see it's a volatility with a downward sentiment, where 17,440 is the short term top right now, and on the downside 17,250 is the support. That's what we are seeing since last few trading sessions, and this is the range that is likely to continue. And tomorrow, if it opens flat, then the lower levels could be tested, like 37,300. Now this has been broken right now, so the current level is near 17,250, and that is the support at this moment. On the higher side, 17,380 is now going to act as resistance, which is acting as a double top, and it is being tested. Now if it goes up, then only we can see the higher range of 17,440. Otherwise 17,250 to 17,380 is where it can halt. Now looking at Banknifty, it is still within that range that I talked in the latest videos, that on the downside 36,200 or 36,250, and on the upside 37,200. This is a 1,000 point range or a broader range in which Bank Nifty is consolidating, unable to make a decision on which side to go. Now on an hourly chart, you can see that the fall, it is being pulled back, but then it is coming with a lower high formation. Now for selling, if it comes below 36,400, then we can sell in small quantities, and on the higher side above 36,600, buyers should actively buy. But 36,400 is not a good support at this moment. Now if it opens flat tomorrow and goes up, then the levels of 36,600 will act as a short-term hurdle, or the first hurdle for Bank Nifty, above which we can expect some move on the upside, which is above 36,725 is another resistance, but this is not a very good resistance. But 36,200 and 36,000 is going to act as a very good support. So it's still kind of upside biased, but if Nifty falls, Bank Nifty will also fall. So 36,725 in that case will act as a good resistance. The first stock is Mindtree. Look at the bullishness of Mindtree. It consolidated, gave a breakout, then seller tried to take it down but couldn't. Here is another breakout, and now it is waiting just at the breakout level. So if it crosses 3950, then we can buy with some 10 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is IGL. Now in IGL, you can see that it has given a breakout and it went above, so it went little high, but still we can buy above 595. Now if you scroll back, okay, if you look in daily chart, then you can see that it is right at the resistance level from where the previous fall came. So you can see that this is a kind of a double top formation, and if this high is taken out, which is 595, then we can buy with some 5-point stop loss and 1:2 on the target on the upside for intraday. The next stock is HDFC Bank. Now after a strong up move, it fell and now it's continuously falling. Now after making a big red candle, it is consolidating, and now on the lower end, if it breaks, then we can go short below 1554 with some 4 to 5 point stop loss and 1:2 target. If it falls, it will fall in a flow. The next stock is Reliance. Now look at this candle. It's a huge fall, and after that it continuously fell, now consolidating, and now if this low is taken out, then we can go short below 2635 with 5 to 7 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. Now I hope this video helped. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something, and thank you for watching.